Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your DoorDash Dasher account quickly and efficiently so you can start delivering in no time. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download the DoorDash app. The first thing you need to do is download the DoorDash Driver app. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for DoorDash Driver, and install the app. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Sign Up option. You'll be asked to provide some personal information such as your name, email address, phone number, and home address. Ensure that all the information you input is accurate and up to date. Step 3. Provide additional information. After creating your account, you'll need to provide additional details. This includes uploading documents like your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Make sure these documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Complete background check. DoorDash requires a background check for all Dashers. The app will guide you through this process, which typically takes a few days. You can check the status of your background check within the app. Step 5. Set up your payment information. To get paid for your deliveries, you'll need to set up your payment information. This usually involves providing your bank account details so DoorDash can deposit your earnings directly. Step 6. Watch training videos. Once your background check is approved and your account is set up, it's a good idea to watch the training videos provided in the app. These videos will familiarize you with how to deliver orders efficiently and what to expect while on the job. Step 7. Start delivering. With everything set up, you're ready to start delivering. Open the app, toggle your status to Dash, and begin accepting delivery requests. Remember to follow all local regulations while delivering. Now you're all set to become a DoorDash Dasher and start earning money on your own schedule. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Happy dashing!